Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to do TearDown video for you. This is the GPTOYS 1:24 scale racing Truggy. It's S607. If you watch the unboxing, you saw it's very promising micro or mini RC. Very nice, has a lot of metal parts, have a nice weight on it. In this video I'm going to tear it down, see everything inside. Maybe it will help you decide whether or not to get this car. So let's get to it. First, let's take out the canopy. This is the first time I tear down this car. If you can see, it's practically new. You can see the canopy, very nice, hard plastic. My guess is it won't break just about any fall, because the car, even though it says metal parts, is heavier than most 1:24 scale, it won't damage the canopy. So I will start to remove the upper brace. A tip I give in all my videos: it's better that you keep the screw that you removed on the part that you want to put back together. These screws are a part of this brace. This is the metal brace, very nice. And that's the servo. As you can see, it's a 5-wire servo. Go one. It has a servo saver on it. Simple one. As you can see, it just sits on the steering arm right here. Let's to take out the motor. Out, but it's connected to the board. You can see here the main drive shaft. It's 4-on-4, so it has two diffs in the back and in the front. You can see the drive shaft right here in the middle, and underneath you can see the main board of the car. This contains the ESC, the servo, and the RX all combined, and you can tell it has a lot of thoughts into it because it's very nicely designed. You have a main plate here, and you can see the battery plugs. You can see it starts here, goes back here and come back, so it's a serial connector like I thought it will be. So it's a 2S. Let's see here, very nice. Let's remove the plate. As you can see here, this plate also is used as a heat sink. You can see this material here. This will move the heat to the plate, and when you drive forward, the wind will cool it down. So also very nice design, a way to cool down the ESC that are inside this board. Very nice. As you can see, the diff is made out of metal. Very nice. Let's open it up. You can see it's filled with grease inside, small plastic gears. Nice. Let's see what you can see here. Okay. It's nice to have all the screws, regular flat screw. Remove the wheel. So it's removed by force. Nice plastic. It has ball bearings, as you can see here, and another one right here. There's oil inside. Let's put this back. So, saw the wheel cap, and it has ball bearings. You can see here the rear gear. Here it goes right here. See how it looks. I will open the front diff as well, just to see if it's exactly the same as the rear one. Okay, you can see here the diff are the same. Same size. It has here spore, right here the spore gear. That's, as you can see, the motor sits right here. You have the pinion and the spore, both made out of metal. And you can see the diffs. There is some kind of grease on it. So I think that's about it. You can see here all the arms, the dog bones made out of plastic, strong plastic. Let's do a quick rundown of what we saw in the video. First we took out the upper brace, metal one. Then we took out the servo, 5-wire micro servo, the motor. If you will need to replace the motor, you will need to solder it here because it's soldered to the board. After we removed it, we saw that the board is inside, uses 2 S batteries, a serial connector, all waterproofed. We took out the rear diff to see inside the gears. The diff is made out of metal, but the gears inside is plastic. All the bearings are ball bearings in the wheel cap and in the diffs. To take this part out, you need to put pressure on it. Be careful not to damage it because it's plastic part. The shocks are simple spring, not oil filled, of course. This we saw in the unboxing. The last part was this bottom brace. It's not only just for strength, it's really a heat sink. As you can see, it's used to take out the heat from the ESC. That's it for the teardown video. Next I'm gonna hopefully be able to bring everything back with all the mess I made. Take it out for some test runs with my other 1/24 scale cards. Hope this helps you. Hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to subscribe and I'll see you guys next time.